So just learn how to simply make this hair tie while going to church or any occasion. You know, I don't like making big gele. It's always a simple one. So just learn how to do this. It's very, very simple. All right, this is the back. It's like turban, right? Like some people that in the church, they don't like wearing some kind of hair tie that would show their scalp. But this one, just as I did it, the front, the back, everywhere covered. So get your hair tie. Could be a soke, could be Ankara. Just fold it there into two equal halves, then tie the middle, equal halves, right? Then tie the middle, not the middle, but don't make it tight, don't make it tight. So I put your hand there and bring out the other one side, just at the middle of it, after two equal halves. Now, just place it at the forehead, the center of the forehead, take it back, right? Like I said, it's like a turban, it's like your church, you don't like wearing a tie where your scalp would show. So now this would cover scalp, open it widely at the middle, push the other one inside and use this one to cover it, right? So that's what I did. So your scalp wouldn't be showing, right? You can put it on top of your wig on attachment or your hair like mine, a bobbed hair like mine. So, right, you gotta it add. I use rubber band a lot, right? I use rubber band a lot. So that is it. Just gotta it. Pick up your rubber band. This video isn't clear. Why? Is this reflection? Yeah. Sorry, this reflection might be from my, this ring light showing colored. Okay. Then you gather it. I was trying to fold that rubber band into two so it will be thick enough, right? Now you gather that place neat and put your rubber band. Band it with your rubber band. You just band it. Alright? Push it out. Yeah, that is it. You can actually leave it like this if you want. It still covers your hair. It still looks nice this way, right? But then to make it look simple like turban or this cap would you use or because of a church, just push it inside there. Push it inside. I want to make it simple. Because already you've rubber banded it, it is strong, it can't pull off. Push the whole thing inside. The rubber band would hold it. So that is it. That is it. How does it look? Nice, right? Okay, this is the front. That's it. As simple as that. Then scatter that front. You know why I gathered it a little before I shared it into two equal halves? Or I folded it into two equal halves was if I scatter it this way, it will give you that rose look, right? This is it. Any way you want. Scatter it, put it at the corner, put it at the center, make it wild, gather it together, make it clap together, anyhow you want it. This is it. How does it look? Nice, right? As simple as that. I'm not a fan of big gele. That doesn't mean that it's not fine. Gele isn't good. Big gele, but I make simple styles on my own. Few seconds, you are gone. You are done, for church, for occasions, right? Now, another one. Look at this. Last Sunday, I wore this to church. And, people were asking, how did you do this? It looks like all those Tiffy or Benway or, some sort of part of not color combination, right? Now, see how I made it. This is a piece of carton sheet because it is strong. There's a piece of asoke, just a piece of asoke, a tie. Then another one is just a piece of red. That should be a scarf. I folded it anyway. It just small scarf, red scarf. I use it to make a tie sometimes, So, yeah. Now I just into equal halves, measure it in two equal halves. Then same thing with the carton sheet into two equal halves. Place it at the middle. Yeah. The reason or the essence for measuring into two equal halves is to make sure you get everything at the middle, right? So now put it and tie to the back. Fold and tie to the back. As simple as that. That back. Okay, I didn't even show the back while tying. Sorry about that. Just ordinary tying. Tie and make sure you fold it inside. It doesn't come out long. Unless you want it that long. But if it comes long, it wouldn't give you that cap look. Right? So just tie it at the back. Yeah, tie it at the back. Alright? Only if like this is okay. You can actually wear it like this. Right? This way is okay. Like if you want only blue, this is okay. Look at it. Fine, right? Look at the simple cap. Look at it, this is it. And that's what I mean by that back. Just fold it and squeeze it to give you a rose style at the back. She do like rose. Now, how did I form that color combination? Look at what I did. So this, I just folded it, make it just neat, right? Make it neat. Now, just bring it. This one, you have to carefully do this, right? Now, push it inside into two equal halves, put it at the middle, start pushing it inside. Put it inside the one you've made, bring it out, take it back again. See what I'm trying to explain. Yeah, there. Get that measurement you want, then push it inside the blue one you've already tied and bring it out to the front. Bring it out to the front, right? You're gonna do it again that way. You continue that way until you get that cap combination look I showed at the beginning. Yeah, push it in there again. Are you following this? And bring it out. It's not like something I learned. Is when you have a creative mind, you should be able to sometimes form some styles by yourself. Push it inside there and bring it. You know why? You have to carefully do there so that you don't scatter the first one you've done, the blue one. But peradventure it gets scattered. Find a way to arrange just with your hand. Put that one there. Push it inside and bring it out. I'm not a fan of using pin for head tie because I don't tie big head tie. Maybe that's the reason. But if for instance you want to use pin, no problem. Now I'm done. So I'm going to tie the remaining parts of the red scarf at the back. Right? So I'm going to tie it at the back. Remember, I've already tied the blue one. But then, yeah, I can just tie it and push it inside. Wow. I'm already getting to the end of this. When you tie it, push it there. It is small. Use the blue one to cover it. And if you want a shade of it to show, no problem at all. No problem at all. So right now, use your hand to arrange it as you want. This is a bed. This one, the middle of your hair should be empty, free. But if you want to cover it, you can put something plain there. Push it in. I will do that some other time.